Yeah, it's good evening. Good evening. Namaskara. Good. Namaskara and education development. So thank you. Morning when I was in the inaugural session, the audience was packed. Now it is so-called jam-packed. So this evening, for the very special moment, I think this is going to be special every time when you do the QCFI CCQC program, the most awaited event where all of you are just waiting for your team's name to be called, come on stage, take up your awards, click photos, take selfies, shouting, yelling, clapping and somebody jumping. I mean, all those things we had lost in the last 3 years, am I right? All the if and but of COVID, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave, whatever way, let us bring back the quality where we are in QCFI. And that way can be created only by you people and not by the people who are just the organizers. So a big round of applause to all of you for bringing back the quality wave, the quality movement into the forefront of all your activities. And today, I have been witnessing a couple of presentations. The dynamism, the energy was phenomenal. The morning session we had eminent speakers who gave their inputs to you in terms of quality, in terms of ability, in terms of aptitude, in terms of the journey they have passed so far to reach their career best. Everything you got and that has inspired you. And when you are ready to receive your awards, I think you also need some eminent people who can give you that motivation again so that your frequency of energy is always pumped up. And today, I am very happy to have with us for the evening session a special person, Miss Mercy Jackal. So please give her a big round of applause. Mercy Jackal from VHCL. One of the renowned organizations who patronizes QCFI, and I think it is befitting for the BHEL, a company, to have a great lady like Mercy Jacob to be having the chief guest post. I welcome you on behalf of the entire QCFI fraternity, on behalf of the juries, and also on behalf of all these exciting, energetic young participants, madam. Thank you for accepting our invitation. Teachon College, when I speak about it in recent times, I can never forget the dynamic figure of Mr. Suresh Venugopal. I have never seen a principal who is always walking around. Even before he climbed the stage, he was adjusting the camera here. You know why? This program is going on live. The morning session, you can log into your YouTube and you can see this program is online. This is the specialty. Thanks to Mr. Venugopal who has helped us. Sir, we are very blessed, honored and pleased to have you on stage in your own college, but on a special platform with a wonderful background of Hampi, the pride of our Karnataka, and the pride of TG College, Teachon College sitting over here. So thank you very much for at least sitting here instead of moving around all the time. We welcome you on behalf of QCFI and the entire fraternity. And whenever we talk about Kulkarni sir, he always flashes a big smile and a loud voice and we see the namaskar. Yes, and really, with pride I am telling you, a person who believes in being engaged, always is engaged in QCFI activities. So when you are engaged, you will always be young at age. So that's the person. So sir, thank you for all the wonderful elements and for driving this activity, and you are the backbone of QCFI Bangalore chapter, and thank you for making yourself present here amidst this gathering. I welcome you again for this valedictory function, sir. Morning, I didn't get much opportunity to talk about our Sri Murali. Murali sir, an industrial experienced background person, a quality champion when he was in the industry, but if someone of you get an opportunity to spend about 20 minutes time with Murali sir, you should listen to his experiences when he was in the Indian Air Force. He is a man, a proud defense person, disciplined person, and I am lucky to have a person like him today in QCFI in the role of secretary, driving the entire activities along with the excellent GC team. And Murali-san, thank you for being present for the valedictory function and gracing this occasion. And I thank and welcome all the jury members, panelists, and also the participants here. And I could see apart from participants, there are some family members as well. So I think I shouldn't miss welcoming them to this valedictory function. So I welcome one and all of you for this valedictory function. I would like to make a special mention about the men and women in black, dynamic technologies. Hats off to you for your imagination. It was well composed, well thought, well enacted, driving the message to the people about what is today's problem. And I should appreciate the management of dynamic technologies. And you were truly dynamic on the stage. All the people who had that puri, pulao, ice cream, everything with the sedate feeling got kicked off by you people. Thank you for that. And it's a good thing. But let me tell you, I request for a small change with due permission of the dignitaries of the desk. The caption must say no to plastic. Please check on what are the screen. It's better to caption rather than say no to plastic, how we treat plastic. Right? Because you know why I am telling this? I am myself a polymer engineer with a master's in plastics engineering. And I have worked on biodegradable polymers. And I am working on many other activities. So it's not the plastic the culprit. If the people who do not know how to use the plastic, they are the culprit. Perfectly shown like some person coming in a scooter and throwing and going away. Lady going with the catwalk and throwing away. So let's respect plastic because you will not be sitting on this chair, your spectacles will not be there, your cars will not be available. Okay? There are many things which will not be available if you really say no to plastic. So let's know how to. So what I always say, please no plastics, KNOW, before you say no plastic.
Anyway, we all have a bigger responsibility of handling our environment, and definitely this is a wonderful message you people have gone. And in the process of this activity, our MC of today, Mr. M.K. Krishna, took an opportunity to give an awareness on what? Eye donation. I think it's very apt for us, all of us, to understand the importance of such a wonderful activity and take our journey of life to some levels of fulfillment, even when we finish our journey or somebody in our known circle finish our journey. So let's carry the good message. So quality of thoughts come from everywhere and every corner, be it the environment, be it be in our personal life. So with all these things, today what? How many of you know today how many teams participated? Fantastic. Can anybody guess if all these 367 teams put together, what could be the savings you people have done in terms of the cost which you have saved? A rough estimate. You can tell any number here, कुछ नहीं होगा, इसको marks नहीं मिलेगा. Even if you take about 10 lakhs per team, 367, what will it translate? How much? How much? Roughly 36 crores. Some teams 20 lakhs, some team 40 lakhs, some team maybe 20,000. Won't you feel you all deserve a big round of applause? ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ರಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ನೀವು ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಖುಷಿಪಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಖುಷಿಪಡಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ತಂದುಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೋ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು, ಅಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ earning crores of savings, you are having what to do. You are wondering whether this fact or not. This is a fact. Because we believe what you have presented is all reality, right? Yes? Then 36 crore is a reality. If people in the shop floor can give such type of savings for the nation within this small hall, how a quality movement can bring savings across the nation through 34 chapters of Quality Circle Forum of India. Is it small? So, please continue this good activity, and for this good activity of yours, you will be recognized through the awards function, which is going to happen very shortly. So, I expect you to enjoy the award ceremony, receiving the awards from the chief guests, is listening to their keywords as they speak. Your takeaway is not the trophy. More than that, your takeaway should be the key learnings from the keynote speakers and also from the presentations which you have not done. If you are able to take one improvement point, 367 multiplied by 5 people, 1,500 people today, there will be 1,500 kaizens and improvements you are going to carry back home. Is it small? Why are you all afraid to even appreciate that? Small kaizens matter a lot. Just before I was coming and bringing the chief guests to this dais, we were sitting in the guest room and I was about to open the door. I identified a kaizen indication. Am I right, sir? To turn the knob, they have given a visualization. T. John College, without knowing what is QC concept kaizen, but they have done a kaizen of visualization of how to turn the knob in the guest room. Sir, amazing. Thank you for that. Kaizens are always small. Today you all had ice creams. ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಾ? ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಿಂದ್ರಿ? ಆ ಥರನಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್? ಯಾವ ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಅದು? ವುಡನ್ ಸ್ಪೂನ್. ವುಡನ್ ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್? ವುಡನ್ ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ಹಾ, ವುಡನ್ ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಕಮ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡೇಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. Now the wooden spoons have come in a hygienic packing. Earlier it used to come in rubber band. Kaisan alva adu. Some person, it may be an ordinary person, look at how he has thought about hygiene and put it into this. It has come with some extra cost, no doubt about it. But when you have a thought of Kaizen, when quality of thought is registered here, always here, you can do Kaizens. If you can't do Kaizens, you can see Kaizens. So, whether you eat, whether you walk, whether you talk, quality of thoughts is what we should all try to enhance, and through QCFI, through QCC, through Six Sigma, or through Kaizen, or through any of these concepts, it is the quality of thoughts that matter, and quality of actions will follow through. So, with that message, I would again thank you for being wonderful participants of today and seeing your energy levels. Meteorological department has changed the program of raining from morning 12 o'clock afternoon to now, I don't know. They have postponed it. Earlier schedule it said 12 o'clock, it is supposed to rain up to 6 o'clock. Now with all your energies, Google says no rain now. So thank you for your energy levels. I once again welcome you all to this wonderful gathering, and I thank all the dignitaries again for being present for this wonderful event, the awarding ceremony of the day, and I wish you all the best before I conclude my talk to continue this quality momentum through any of the activities which you are carrying in your organization, and if possible try to spread this momentum in your own company, family and the society. So with that, thank you very much again for being patient enough to listen to my words, and wish you all the best. God bless you, stay healthy, and thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಶ್ರೀ ತೇಜ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು. ಇವತ್ತು ಸುಮಾರು 50-60 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜ್ಯೂರಿಗಳು ಜಡ್ಜಸ್ ಇದ್ದರು. ಕಾಲದ ಅಭಾವ ಅಂತನ, ಸಮಯದ ಅಭಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಅವರು 10 ಜನ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಯಾಗಿ 2 ಜ್ಯೂರಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸಿಂದ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನೀವೆಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರ, ಆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ jury's feedback on the presentation, I will be requesting only just 2 people. They will be giving a feedback in just short 1 minute only. I request Mr. Murli Narayan from Sojify company to just give a feedback on the presentation by what you have done in the morning. Yes, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I feel very, very proud to be with you as a part of this QCFI movement. As a jury, we had a very big challenge and tough job. The reason behind it, the knowledge level of the participants, the knowledge level plus the interest to demonstrate, the interest to present what the good job they have done. It is amazing. This is possible when we put our mind and thought to move towards that. I also expect each one of member to promote this QCC or Kaizen or any other improvement as a part of life. As a jury member, whatever we have given the feedback, please take it positive. Please practice. Practice will make man perfect. On the other side, I also have a small remark to give. The level of the tools in allied studies cases or lean presentations are not up to the mark. So one request, I request the chairman of the Bangalore chapter to note it out. I may request you to improve and guide the people, direct the people, both the organization and the participants, so that we will go from better to the best. And thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Modi, for a very sweet and short. Now I request, always there is a one male and another female, so equally important as been. I request Savita give me a note from BH. Please.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Good evening to all. So it's a very pride moment to say that each and every participant of this program deserve a big round of applause. I appreciate each and every participant. They have shown very good interest. They have systematic study, and the approach whatever they have done is excellent. They also put their study on which the systematic approach, the 7 levels or the 12 points, methods, whatever they have put. It was excellent, but at the same time, I want to give the feedback that few allied group presentations were, it's required some more improvements. Mainly, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ ನಾನು. ಅವರು ಮೇಡಮ್ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಇನ್ಹಿಬಿಷನ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದೇನೆಂದರೆ, what is the methodology you have used. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು what is the quality consciousness, what is the quality concept you have put in your presentation, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. whichever language you feel comfortable, you can feel comfort and ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೂ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ you will have more freedom to think over it. Okay, then quality as a target, you don't keep it. Once you achieve the target, you will relax. Please consider this quality as a journey, this improvement over improvement. So with this, I thank you all for QCFI giving this a great opportunity to me. Thank you all.
Savita Madam has given a very free, fair and a frank opinion about that. See, it is only the feedback that will help the youngsters and the upcoming generation to do better next time. Well, there is one more feedback about the case study pre-evaluation from our QCFI only, Mr. G. Natarajan.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Good evening to all. We have done the pre-evaluation at QCFI. All of my colleagues have done. For QCC 60 marks, for Allied and Kaizen 70 marks we have already evaluated. And compared to the last year, last batches and other things, now the case study presentation has improved a lot and the efficiency is improved. And the collection of data is very good. And concept of the milestone is clearly understood by all the teams and they have explained clearly. And the Pareto analysis was understood and many of the case studies they have mentioned clearly, correctly also. Some points of improvement, few teams not followed the steps or the guidelines given. Already we have given the guidelines and suppose defined. You have not taken the step, how will I give you a mark? So already it is there in the brochure. As per the guidelines, need to follow. And one more, the last point is number of slides more. So 150, 160 slides and all, the given 15 minutes time, how will you do? So these things you have to take care. Thank you very much. All the best.
Mr. Natarajan has given a cute and a crisp feedback. Well, before the only two persons which they have to address, I would like to give a feedback to the audience and to the Tej Kumar and the dais. 2 years back we faced the Corona lockdown and other thing. And that was the time when we started learning about virtual, online. Now it became offline. Now, courtesy Suresh Venugopal of this institution, this is the first time we are having a hybrid convention. That's all I can tell you. People are present here, but people from anywhere also they can see. Wonderful, sir. Thank you so much for the invitation. I request Smita to introduce Shri Suresh Venugopal for the next agenda.
Thank you, sir. Very good evening. Yes, sir. Well, I did not get your bio, but I was very curious. So when we don't get the bio, the only other resort is LinkedIn. I went to LinkedIn, and it was very interesting. He says, enthusiastic academician, crazy administrator, Hindustani ghazal singer, mind trainer and educational counselor. Yes. Later on it says he is a PhD in biomedical image processing from Anna University, Chennai. 70 years of academic and administrative experience as Vice Principal, Dean, Head of the Department and now currently Principal. Sir, आपसे गुजारिश है कुछ गुनगुना दो.
Thank you, madam, for that nice. I think it was my luck that you didn't get my bio. So you got the real thing. So, dignitaries on and off dais, my dear professors in practice. Have you heard about that term? Professors in practice. Now, we don't call you industrial people as industrial persons. We call you as professors in practice. We are professors with knowledge. You are professors in practice. So this term I got 2-3 days back in one report, that report was talking to the principals of all the colleges in the nation to call industry people as professors in practice and consider them as a type of professors like we have inside the campus, and maximum time should be allotted, like we should plan in such a way that maximum professors in practice should come to the campus and should interact with our students to have the spirit right now you have while presenting. I have seen I've gone to a couple of rooms and was astonished to see the spirit of you people. Hats off. And the way you are presenting, the way it is been coordinated, the way we thought we academicians are best in PPT presentation. Sorry. You people are best. Animations are happening one side, right? When you are saying computer operation, one man is animation is showing in the PPT itself. the way the slides are getting changed, and the places which should be given more pronunciation, how you have given that pronunciation using color changes or some vibrations. Super. And I have taken some video. I think it is not allowed to take the video of the presentation, even though I have taken the video. Why, you know? I just want to give it to my student friends to see that what is the power of confidence. What is the taste of success? How come you will become confident when you think about some small improvement, as Tej Kumar sir rightly mentioned, small, even it is small or less. We have done a lot of cases yesterday morning while preparing the stage arrangements, while doing the stage arrangements. So my students, my means I am representing the whole engineering students, and I was requesting to QCI dignitaries that why can't you think about conducting such a program for the students, so that you all are now confident while you are presenting. I can see some, I don't know, I remember the name, I don't know the face, but they were telling that it is my responsibility. Who is that? Yeah, he's that. And I was astonished to see that nothing. He was saying, it is our responsibility, means he's making this sound and saying responsibility. And the confidence and like, it was something great what you are giving to the audience. I just put an example. There was many, like you were, before starting, when you introduce your team members, that level of coordination, and you are keeping your hands up, and like when we go for a tournament, we do that, no? The same way. And one line, different people are telling about that things. So slight changes in the voice is so soothing for the audience to hear, you know. It is your great effort, amazing work. And again, anyway, I got a lot of experience. This is my first QCI experience. I am from Kerala. So here I joined 2 years back. Even though T. John Institute of Technology was supporting QCI for past 8 years, I feel I got an opportunity, and I am very grateful to watch some strong presentation, and I was requesting to QCI dignitaries, persons like, please conduct such programs for the students. I know that it will not be that much because they have not implemented anything. They were studying and their plans, at least their plans, if they can present in such a way. And you people, when you moved into the industry, there was a small breathing time, right? From a student to an industrial person, right? You all had. That can be wiped off. If the same spirit, same confidence can be given, at least in the final year of the engineering student, that 1 month, 2 months, or maybe 1 or 2 months you took a time, a breathing time to get adjusted with the culture of an industry, right? That also the industry people can make it as a productive time. So I was requesting to my QCI dignitaries to have a thought on that. And whenever we meet industry people, you know, be honest, we feel a little bit less in confidence. We means teachers. The reason is that what we know is already practiced. So I used to tell my students that you have to, when you go to the industry, you have to, before that you have to know many things, what is the etiquette, how to work, what is the teamwork, what are attributes, behavioral traits you have to get. But the students is having a feel like, sir, from where you know that? Tell me. Without seeing an industry, without stepping into an industry, how can you know that? So there is the importance of bringing industry people into the campus where when you utter, they believe. So my dear practicing professors, kindly spare some time whenever you are getting an opportunity, go to the campus and talk to the students. It makes a lot of change. What we can do and what you can do. And the industry commonly is saying that they are lacking the input, means they are lacking the employees or candidates with the proficiency or the expertism in that particular thing. Don't complain, please, because you all were once a student, right? We all were once a student. Without giving the proper thing to them, we should not blame anybody, right? So try to go to the campuses. That is my request to you, practicing professors. Why we are calling you as practicing professors? In industry, you will not be called as practicing professors. In industry, you are industrial persons. But when you step into the campus, then only that title will come to you, practicing professors. So be ensure that at least when you get, I know that you all are busy, very busy people, but this, take it as your own, one of your responsibility to see that inside the campus itself they are trained so that the day one, as we know the slogan for industry is, even though I have not gone to industry, the slogan for industry is day one productivity, right? So that day one productivity you can imbibe into the mind of the students through your interactions. So that is why Government of India, now it is mandatory to have a cell name, Institute Industry Interaction Cell, IQC we call it as. But it will be fruitful if and only if you practicing professors are stepping into the campus. So this is my request, and I am thanking, even though this is not a vote of thanks, because I should thank for QCI people and all this vibrant crowd for coming into our campus, and because you are sitting this room now, I feel a lot of vibe in this one. Basically, I am an entrepreneur too. I think Madam forgot to read out that one. I am a CTO of a company which is been pitched in Bangalore. So, but I am not working in industry, okay, because my students are doing the things, I am just a CTO of that company. So, it's a great vibe for me to see you all. As Madam told, I will sing 2 lines for you. This is not a ghazal, this is a slogan. You want to hear?
Hello, check. Hello, check. Am I audible? Sandranandavabhudatmagamanamamitam kaladeshavadibhya Nirmuktam nityamuktam gagana sahasrena nirpasyamanyam aspashtam drishnamatre punaruru purusharthakam brahma tattvam tattavad sakshat Guru Pavanapure Handabhagyam Janana. Thank you.
When Suresh Venugopal, when he mentioned he is from Kerala, for a moment I was thinking that we are in a music concert of Yesudas. From his opening remark, I can make out, unlike other institution principal, Suresh Venugopal is a man of principle, practices and passion. Let us give a big hand to him. Well, ಇಂದಿನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮರ್ಸಿ ಜಾಕಬ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ಮಿತಾ ಅವರು ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Thank you, sir. That was a wonderful inspiration. Thank you. We move on to our chief guest. So, amidst us, we have Mrs. Mercy Jacob. Ma'am is General Manager, EDN Production and ESD Electronics Division, BHEL Bengaluru. And she joined BHEL in the year 1990, a long journey of 32 years. And in this journey, she has worked with various departments within the organization, including the Planning and Development, IT Systems, Automation Group, and Electronics Division. The best part is she is the first woman production in charge at BHEL. Thank you. I request ma'am to share her resilient, patient, perseverance journey through an ocean called BHEL. Ma'am.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Respected dignitaries on the dais and all my friends. Today it's an honor and a privilege and honor for me to be with all of you and to be invited to preside over this session. I have, as Madam has told, I have spent 32 years in BHEL. And my last few years I have been happy and privileged to work in production. The last 6-7 years of my career I have been in production. And it was always, even though I worked in design and all other departments, it was always a lot of thrill and happiness for me to walk into the shop floor in the morning as a head of, as an AGM, and now I have become GM. And I'm heading 2 production units, one at Mysore Road and another one at Electronic City. So BHEL, as you already know, is one of the pioneers of quality circle. In fact, in India it was started in the 80s in BHEL only. And my experience in quality in my unit has been that we are the main important thing is that quality circles that I see boost the employees' motivation, and we find a lot of good team spirit, and of course it improves productivity. So the 3 things which really affect us in the shop is people, products and quality. Quality is the third and the most important. So getting back to quality, I'm really encouraged and really enthusiastic to see such a big crowd today. And a lot of people are very enthusiastic crowd. And I hope the quality movement grows and becomes bigger and bigger. I am told, I read somewhere that in China, there are 20 million quality circles, which is a very, very huge number. So someday Indians will also have that many quality circles, I hope. And even though, quality, all of you all would have discussed so many things about quality, so I don't want to talk much about quality. But quality has aspects and what it should be. But quality has to be a way of life in the workplace. That is the most important thing. We have to talk, think and perform quality. And that's what matters in the end. Because every department quality is important. I'll just narrate a small incident in my factory in Electronic City. It happened in the month of July. We were doing 5 into 800 megawatt power plant DCS for Yadadri project in Telangana. So there were about 200 panels which were quite complicated, customized panels for DCS, and the customer was insisting that we should do integrated testing. That is, he wanted all the panels assembled, tested, connected, just like how it is connected in the site, and he wanted to give the signal and check the output, whether the output is coming. So we thought this was really challenging, and 200 employees worked on the project for 2 months, and we completed the assembly, testing, everything. And then as we senior people, we were discussing, now how long will the integrated testing take? Then we thought it would take 15 days, it was going to take 10 days, or it will take 7 days, okay? And we planned everything, we did everything. But the workmanship was so perfect, you won't believe that we completed the integrated testing in 1 day. And the customer was so delighted. And the customer said, I don't want to see anymore. Everything is correct. Because he tried a few signals here and there, he thought that it will not work. But everything was working perfectly. So quality is just, the result of quality is customer delight, customer happiness. And and if you can achieve that result, then all your quality processes, be rest assured, are very good in your company. So this is the point, and the main and most important thing is quality should be a way of life at our workplace, and we have to talk, think, and perform quality. Thank you.
In fact, Mercy Jacob is a really role model to the entire audience of today. This is what I want to really give a big clap. Some 35 years back, when Sudha Murthy wanted to enter Tata, in fact, ladies are not permitted to apply for the job. And Sudha Murthy straight away went and met J.R.D. Tata. Why you can say no for me? She became the first employee as an engineer. In the present day, nobody wants to go to electrical, mechanical, civil in any of the pure engineering department. But now today we saw Mercy Jacob as the general manager of a public sector company. Let us give a big clap for it. ಪೂರ್ವಾರ್ಧ ಅಂದರೆ ಉತ್ತರಾರ್ಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ವಂದನಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಮುರಳಿಯವರು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ತುಂಬ ಜನ QC records you people have not collected, some of the teams like BEL, Nextel and JSW, please collect your QC records, otherwise it will be lying here, it may be needed for your office only as a document. Yes sir, Murali sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸೊ ನಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಮಯ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಈಗರ್ಲಿ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್. ನಾವು ತುದಿಗಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಶೋಕೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಕೊನೆಯ ಒಂದು ಹಂತದ ಅವಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಜರ್ನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಮಚ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅದರ ಹಿಂದಿದ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೂವಾರಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆದ್ಯ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಇಂದಿನ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡಿಟರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಗಣ್ಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಮರ್ಸಿ ಜೇಕಬ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ BHEL ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದಂತೆ ಈ ಒಂದು QCFI ಅನ್ನೋ ಈ ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಅವರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿಸಿದ ಯಾರು? RS ಹುಡುಗ, ಕನ್ನಡದವರು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? BHEL ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್. 2 ವರ್ಷ ಮಗುವನ್ನ ಅವರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ BHEL ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವಿಟಾಮಿನ್ ಕಿರುಕಾಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ತರಹ ಸುಮಾರು 8 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬಾಗಿ ನಿಂತುಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾರಂಭ, ಈ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುದಿಗಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ಡಿಜಾನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಈ 2 ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡೋದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸಾಲದು. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗನಂತೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಗುವಿನಂತೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ನರಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನೇನು ಲೋಪಗಳಿದೆ, ಏನೇನಿದೆ, they have done enough Kaizen yesterday even to set up this podium. So small gift from our side, sir. Thank you very much for your continued effort to make this program a more success. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲವೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ಕೊರತೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ 2 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬರೀ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ GC ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸರ್ ಎನಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನಫ್, ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಇದು ನಡೀಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಡೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೂ ಆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ, ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಒಂದು ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಸ್ಪದ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಏನೇ ಆಗಲಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬರಲಿ, ಯಾವ ಪೆಂಡಮಿಕ್ ಬರಲಿ, ಯಾವ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಬರಲಿ, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ತಗೊಂಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಟೀಚರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ, ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಜೆ ಥಾಮಸ್ ಅವರು, ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಉಂಟಾ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ರೀ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ನನ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. ಹೂ ನೋಸ್ ದಟ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಕೋವಿಡ್, ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಕೋವಿಡ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಬದಿಲಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಾಡಿ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಬೇಕೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನಾವು ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವತ್ತು ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ನೀವು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನಡೆಸಿ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಡೇಟ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಅವತ್ತಿನ ತಗೊಂಡ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ನು ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಆದರೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಈ ಡೋಲ್ಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಕೋವಿಡ್. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಫಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ and today we have enjoyed this particular physical program. So thank you very much once again for these all institutions and supported us. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಸ್ಮರಿಸಬೇಕಾದಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆದ್ಯ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. All the credit goes to our GC members who have taken this decision to make this one, including our chairman. Sir, we have to do this. So ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ GC members. ಇಂದಿನ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಡೆಸಿದಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೂ ನಾವು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ, ನಮ್ಮ QCFI ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮೂಲಕ ತುಂಬುವರೆಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ಸಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕರೇಜನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಹಿತವಚನಗಳು ಹೇಳಿ, ಅವರು ಪಾಪ ಅತ್ಯಂತಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಬಂತು. ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಇಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆದಂಥ ಕೆಂಪರಾಜು ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಜೆ ಥಾಮಸ್ ಅವರು ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಅವ್ರು ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯತೆಯಿಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೆಂಪರಾಜು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಬಂದು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಡಿ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂದರು. ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನಮಗೆ ಹಿತವಚನಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಇವಾಗ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅವರಿಂದ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ QCFI ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಿಂದ ಆನ್ ಬಿಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ GC ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ QCFI ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಇದು ನಡೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿವೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಮೃಷ್ಟಾನ್ನ ಭೋಜನವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಿನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ BK ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಟೀಮ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಮರೆಯೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಇದು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ ಥರನೇ ಸುಮಾರು 10 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದೇರ್, ಐ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅಂತ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆವತ್ತು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವತ್ತು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದಂಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಊಟ ತಿಂಡಿ ಕಾಫಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈ IT ಒಂದು ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಮ ರೂಮ್ ನಂಬರು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋಯ್ತು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ನಾವು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಯಾವ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ initiative from our QCFI to move forward with the digital. I think that was a small this one. All the credit goes to Vijay Kumar and team. Once again, thank you very much for you. And ಇವತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದಂಗೆ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಟೀಮು ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಡಿಯೋ ವಿಜುವಲ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲವರು ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದರು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ ನಮ್ಮಗಳ ಸಹಕಾರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವರು ಪೋಷಕರು ಸಹಕಾರನೂ ಉಂಟು. ಆದರೆ ಪೋಷಕರ ಸಹಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ PGSIN ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ, ಹೊಸ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯವರು, ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಡಿಯೋ ವಿಷಯದನ್ನು ಅವರು ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಮರೀದೇ ಇರೋಂತಹ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್, ಅದು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಿಲ್ವರ್, ಬ್ರೌನ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರು QUAL ಅನ್ನೋ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ MD ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಚನ್ನಗಿರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಟೀಮ್, ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷನೂ ನಮಗೆ ಸುಗಂಧ ದ್ರವ್ಯದಿಂದ, ಸುಗಂಧ ಕಡ್ಡಿಗಳಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿಟ್ಟುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಗಂಧವನ್ನು ಹರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಯಾರು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು NR and Sons ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈಸೂರು. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷನೂ ನಮಗೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಅಗರಬತ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಿಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಗರಬತ್ತಿ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ NR and Sonsನವರು ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪುಟ್ ಅಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ದೇರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ ಟೀಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೈಸೂರಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಸಹಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಬಂದು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬುವುದೇ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಸೊ NR and Sons, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದ? ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ವಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದೂವರೆ ಗಂಟೆ ಕಾಲ. ಆ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆಯ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈನಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಿ ಅವರ 35 ಜನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಉಣಬಡಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಪರ್ಯಂತ ಮರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎವ್ರಿ ವಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ದು ಗೋ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಆದ್ಯ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಇವತ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಉಣಬಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಟೀಮಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ QCFIಗೆ GCಯಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದ ತನಕ ಒಂದೇ ಸಮಯ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ MK ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಸ್ಮಿತಾ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸಾಲದು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕೊಂಡಿಯಂತೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲೆ. So I request Deshmukh sir to give the small token of gifts to Mr. MK Krishna and Ms. Smita Venkatesh. Please. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ, ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಿವ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೊನೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನಾವು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛವಾಗಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಆ ಸಫಾಯಿ ಕರ್ಮಚಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳೋದು ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಹಿಂದೆ ಇರೋರು ಯಾರು, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಸರ್, ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಸರ್, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಡೆಯನ್ನು ಸುತ್ತ ಅವರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಂತು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ, ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ, ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಕೈ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು, ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಸರ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಡಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಸರ್. So thank you very much for your human service to entire team of 1,500 plus people. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. ಯಾವುದು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್, ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಬೇರರ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ದಿವಾನ್ಜಿ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ನ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ನಾವು ಬರೀ 10-15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಅವರು ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು, 2 ತಿಂಗಳು 3 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದಲೇ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ತನಕ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವರಿಂದ ಬರೋ ಡಾಟಾಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಜೂರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ಲಿ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ತಂದರೂ ಸಾಕು. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಇದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಒಂದಿನ ಇದನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ನಮ್ಮ MC ಐಗೆ MK ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮತ್ತು ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಗಿಫ್ಟನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. So once again, thanks to one and all for making this CCQC into. Thank you, Jai Hind.
ಈಗ ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕೇವಲ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಕಾಲೊಳಗೆ ಬಹುಮಾನ ವಿತರಣೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿದೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಥೀಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೇ ಬರಲಿ ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ, ಏನೇ ಬರಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಉಳಿಯಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹೊಡೆದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುರಳಿಯವರು ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಕೋವಿಡ್ಗೆ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಗೇಟ್ ವೇ ಟು ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಂತ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಗೇಟ್ ವೇ ಟು ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ದಾರಾಬೇಂದ್ರೆ ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಸಾವಿಗೆ ಹೆದರಲ್ಲ, ನಾನಿರುವಾಗ ಸಾವು ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಸಾವು ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಇರೋಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
On behalf of Tijan Institute of Technology, I think this is the 7th consecutive year we are hosting this. I thank all the participants. We have extended our fullest cooperation and the facilities to the extent which is possible within our boundaries. Thank you all. In case if it is found any disturbances, we will try to improve in the next consecutive part of it. During this, I want to congratulate my team and thank which all supported from last 3 days along along with me, our principal sir, Nanjana Shastri, Manjunath Reddy, Katraj, our electrician, Hridayaraj, our security in charge, Krishnamurti, and our housekeeping in charges who are there in this. I thank all of them and our live streaming media coordinator Vishwa, our administrative staff, and whatever we have asked, they have supported on behalf of Tizal Institute of Technology. I thank all of them. And I thank all of you for your kind cooperation. Thank you all.
The last, it will not be last. Every year it will be there. ನಮ್ಮ QCFI ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ನಾನು ಕರಿತೀನಿ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ರಾಮಾನುಜಮ್ ಅಂತ. The Ramanujam means quality. So next award ceremony is going to be taken care by MA Ramanujam, quality Ramanujam. Yes, sir.
Good evening, everybody. The knowledge test. Okay. Was it tough? Was it moderate? Was it easy? It will be like that only. Okay. Now the knowledge test, out of 317 teams, only about 222 teams participated, about 70%. QC is 85, SS will be 92, and so many things. And I request you to make this. Now, the awards. Okay, what are the awards? In QC 088 Voyager BHEL EDN. Careful one. Okay, ಇವಾಗ
Mic check. Now, is it audible? Okay.
Voyager BHEL EDN. Next one, QC 102 Kings Tafe. Kings Tafe. QC 002 Venturi Welter JSW. Please come collect your books. Please come collect your books, please. QC 019 Mithuna from BHEL and Bharat Electronics, Bangalore. QC 019. Please, JSW, King's Topic. Please go ahead. In AL, there are two prizes. AL 030 Changes Sartorius Stelling. And AL 150 Spartans Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited. In LQC 007 Innovators JSW Limited. ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. LQC 007 Innovators JSW States. Six Sigma SS017 DEL3 Virendra TJ DEL Panchikula unit. Six Sigma 017 DL Virendra from Panchakula DEL and Six Sigma 003 Conquerors Schneider Electric. Please come. Please. Now we have essay, poster and slogans. Okay? In essay, Martin Rosario, super finish, HAL, FNF, English is the best. English, the best cover. Martin Rosario, super finish, HAL, FNF. In Kannada, Bhaskar Reddy, Pragati, JSW Steels. In Hindi, the best is Avdeshwar Verma, Samarpan, HAL. Avdeshwar Verma, Samarpan, HAL. In posters, English best is Pavan Kumar, BMW Fighters, SJS Enterprises. And in the Hindi, the best poster was Tippana Vana, Valedictory, BHCL. In slogan, in the Hindi, the best is Avdeshwar Verma, Samarpan, HAL. And in English, the best is Hema Narayan, Genesis, HAL. And in English also, Dhaneshekaran, super finish, HAL. And Kannada, the best is Dalappa Reddy, Dalappa, Pragati, JSW. Dalappa, Pragati, JSW. And in the Kannada best is Pavan Kumar, BMW Fighters, SJS Enterprises. Pavan Kumar, BMW Fighters, SJS Enterprises. Okay? Now, I leave the best for your excellent gold, silver, and no, it should be only gold and silver. Okay? Let us sing. ಮರಣಾಂತರಗಳಿಂದ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಶಾಂತಿಯುತವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಈ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವೇ. ಕೆಲವು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಮೀನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುರೇಶ್ ವೇಣುಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಸರ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಸರ್?
Please make it fast. Okay. Ghazal. So Ghazal, when we hear about Ghazal, I think a lot of gems face come to our mind, right? Can you just tell me any of the Ghazal singers thought you are getting right now when we spell about the term Ghazal? Jagjit Singh, then Ghulam Ali Sahab, then Pankaj Das ji, then Hari ji, yeah, Hariharan, then Mohammad Rafiq, yeah, Mohammad Rafiq, Ustad Mehdi Hasan Khan Sahab, Ghazal, Ustad Mehdi Hasan Khan Sahab. There are a lot of people. So Ghazal, as you know, that is a classical, it should have a classical support. So with harmonium and with tabla only it can be possible, but I'll sing few lines for you. So one for Pankaj Das fans. Okay. मैं रोया देश ने भीगा माँ का प्यार
दुख ने सुख से बात की, बिन चिट्ठी बिन प्यार. Will you sing with me? चिट्ठी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है, वतन से चिट्ठी आई है. बड़े दिनों के बाद बेवतनों को याद, बड़े दिनों के बाद बेवतनों को याद, वतन की मिट्टी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है. So that is for Pankaj Das fans. Now, hello. Yeah, now you mentioned about Jagjit Singh, the king of Ghazal, right? So there is a song, there are beautiful songs. One song which is very close to my, but Ghazal which is very close to my mind, my heart, which says about the first love is so special for us, right? The first love is always so special for us, one thing. Writing the first love letter is so tough for us, right? Am I right? You are thinking, principal, God, keep me as a principal, I am a singer, okay. So writing the first love letter is just like a bird, taking the birth and slowly walking and then trying to fly. प्यार का पहला खत लिखने के लिए वक्त तो लगता है, जैसे परिंदे उड़ने के लिए. How much time it take? हमने आपके heard that गजल, प्यार का पहला, nobody. Okay, then I'll sing another song, I think, because that song is प्यार का पहला खत लिखने में वक्त तो लगता है, वक्त तो लगता है. नए परिंदों को hello. So there is one more song by Jagjit Singh. Ready? So this is the song. You don't want Jagjit Singh. You cannot hear. I cannot understand. So this is the last two lines. I think the things are ready. होठों से छू लो तुम मेरा गीत अमर कर दो, होठों से छू लो तुम मेरा गीत अमर कर दो. Thank you very much.
Hello? Audible? Can we all say thank you to Suresh Venugopal sir? We have all enjoyed. Now the next enjoyment is going to start with the result and the trophy announcement now. Now please listen carefully. The result is going to be announced from this counter, from this stage. And the people who are all receiving their trophies, they have to come from the center place. One guest will be in the other side, another guest will be here. Some people who is coming and taking the trophy there, they have to go from the other side. And another team which is coming here, they have to go down from this side. Are you clear? Please enter from this center place only. ಇಳಿಯುವಾಗ ತುಂಬ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸೆಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ತುವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇಳಿಯುವಾಗ ಒಬ್ರು ಎಡಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೀಮ್ ಬಲಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಾಗ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ಟೀಮ್ನವರು ಒಂದು ಕೂಪನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಕೂಪನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿತ್ ಎ ಕೂಪನ್ and receive your trophy in front of the guest here and get out to say the left or right. So ಈಗಲೇ ಬಂದು left ಇಂದ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಥವಾ right ಇಂದ ಹೋಗಿ. So that coupon has to be produced. That coupon has to be produced at the counter base 003. The trophy you can collect it. Here only the running trophy is kept here. Only purpose of for taking photography. Is it clear? ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ಕೇವಲ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ. ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ನೀವು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದು ನಂತರ ಆ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ನಿಮಗಾಗಿ ಕಳಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ಲಿ 003 ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೋ ಡೌಟ್. Can we start the number one? Can we start the number one as a trial? Let us go slowly. ರಾಮನ್ ಮೊದಲೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅನಾಹುತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಹಕರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. Initially, EQC teams we are announcing now. The result will be announcing according to the serial number 1 to continuously result. And the name of the number of the team LQC 001 example. LQC 001 Escava India Private Limited. Team name is Escava Rider. Can you guess what name is the award? Can you guess what name is the award? Beautifully, we will appreciate the gold. Please come, Escava Rider team at the center. Please saying let us go slowly. Please receive your Please receive, otherwise before signing up. Take one. Can I request Madam Mercy Jacob to give the trophy from this side?
Ready, sir.
One guest will be standing here, another guest will be standing there. People are required to come to the center, receive the trophy from here and walk out from that side. Another trophy will be given here from this guest. You have to walk out this side. Are we clear? LQC 002, NTPC Dadri, Abhayantrix, what will be the award? You are missing, sir, you are supposed to go that side. Please come from the center only. This is the board at this madam's side. And walk this side only. LKC 003. Second head of the division. Group head the team. Come at the center, go to that side. Good head the team is silver award. LKC 004. Again, HL head of the division. Governor team. Silver award. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಟ್ರೋಫಿಯನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ LQC General 5, HL Aerospace Composite Division, Subhogati, got a silver award. LTC 006, Aerospace Composite Division, HL, Samarpan, silver award. Okay. LQC 007, ASWC Limited Indian Airways Innovators Gold Award. LQC 008, Man and Human Filter Private Limited, Problem Killer Gold Award. LQC 009, Philippines Technology India Limited, State Team, Gold Award. LQC 010, Electronic Technology, Cheetah Team, Gold Award. LQC 011, SAS Enterprises, Nissan Team, Gold Award. LQC 012, SAS Enterprises Limited, Pragati Team, Gold Award. Team Safety Circle, LSC 001, JSW Steel, Moonlight, Gold Award. Now let us go for Six Sigma. Six Sigma results. Can we start with Six Sigma? Are we ready, sir? Are we ready? Six Sigma, who is looking at us? Sir, Six Sigma, please give the open there. Some volunteers, please help me. We are behind the schedule, kindly help me. Six Sigma 010, sorry, Six Sigma 009, Aditya Birla Fashion, and the team name is Beyond Success. What will the award? Gold Award. Beyond Success. Beyond Success, the team is available or not? Okay. Second, Six Sigma 010, Aditya Birla Fashion again, Blazing Eagle, Gold Award. Please come first. 015, BL Academy, BL1, Lakshmi team, gold award. BL Academy, BL1 Lakshmi, gold award. 016 BL Academy again, BL2, Navneet team, gold award. 017 Virendra team, gold award. 018 CEL4 Ekta, gold award. Again BL team 019 Prashant team, gold award. 020 BL again, BL6 Naresh team, gold award. Zero 21 BL again, Prashant team, gold award. BL Academy again, 022 Puneet team, gold award. Zero 23 BL9 Suresh team, gold award. 024 BL10 Nassim, gold award. 025 BL11 5DP, gold award. 026 BL Academy, BL12 Sandeep team, gold award. SS27 BL Academy, BL13 Lakshmi team, gold award. SS28 BL14 Bullet team, gold award. SS29 BL Academy, BL15 Kumar team, gold award. SS11 Mudal team Seneto, gold award. SS12 Federal Model team Ajay, gold award. SS13 again Federal Model Pistols team, gold award. SS00004 JSWIS, gold award. SS014 William Forward, William GT1, gold award. SS005 Mahendra University, quality group, gold award. SS002 National Electric, Blue Card team, gold award. SS003 National Electric, Conservative team, gold award. SS001 National Electric, team C for T, K for Perfect, customer. gold award. SS006 Tractor Division of a Wind Team Gold Award. SS007 again from Tractor Division Linus Mark Gold Award. SS008 Tractor Division of a Phoenix Team Gold Award. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಕೇವಲ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಸ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್.
AM08 Schneider Electric, the challenger gold. AM09 Schneider Electric, the pillars gold. AM10 Schneider Electric, AM10 Discovery Gold, Maker. AM011 Schneider Electric, Gold.
Anybody there? Anybody there?
AM012 Schneider Electric Gold. AM013 EML Gold. AM014 EML Gold. AM015 EML Gold. AM016 Schneider Electric Gold. AM017 Schneider Electric Gold. AM018 Schneider Electric Gold. AM019 Megalawan Sons Gold. AM022 Toyota Corsair Silver. AM02 Tata Consumer Gold. AM025 Tata Consumer AM026 Tata Consumer Silver. AM027 Watch Gold. AM028 Maini Manon and Hammer Gold. Eagle Eye Gold. AM29 Victorious Gold. AM30 Victorious Gold. AM31 Victorious Gold. AM32 Victorious Gold. AM33 Victorious Gold. AM34 Victorious Silver. AM35 Victorious Silver. AM37 Victorious Silver. AM38 Victorious Silver. Sartorius Gold. AL40 Sartorius Gold. AL41 Sartorius Gold. All my name musician I am going to be AL042 Gold. AL043 Gold. My name musician. AL044 Gold. AL045 Gold. Many procedures continue. AL046 silver. AL047 silver. AL048 silver. AL049 silver. AL050 gold. AL051 Miley bronze. AL052 Miley gold. AL053 Miley gold. AL054 Miley gold. AL055 Miley gold. AL056 Miley bronze. AL057 Miley silver. AL058 Miley gold. AL059 Miley gold. AL060 Miley gold. AL061 Miley gold. AL062 Miley gold. AL063 Miley bronze. AL064 Miley gold. AL065 Miley gold. AL066 Miley bronze. AL067 Miley gold. AL068 Miley gold. AL069 Miley gold. AL070 Miley gold. AL071 Miley gold. AL072 Miley gold. AL073 Miley gold. AL074 Miley gold. AL075 Miley bronze. AL076 silver. AL077 bronze. AL078 bronze. AL079 Miley bronze. AL080 Miley gold. AL081 Miley gold. AL082 Miley gold. AL083 Miley gold. AL084 Miley gold. AL085 Miley gold. AL086 Miley bronze. AL0 Miley silver. AL088 Miley silver.
AL 49. Sir, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ AL Army AL, big breed of AL. Hello, sir. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ 88 ನಿಂತಿದೆ. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಬೈಕ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ನೀವು? ಹಲೋ ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ? ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, ಮುಂದೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಫರ್ದರ್. 880 ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ. Hello, please listen. AFWCರು ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ರು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಬಾದಾಮಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈಗ ಮತ್ತು QCFI ಮಾತ್ರ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. AFWC ಟೀಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಂಧಾರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. QC ಟೀಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. QC 58 ಸಂಧಾರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ. ಸಂಧಾರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡವರ್. ಸಂಧಾರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡವರ್. ಗೋಲ್ಡವರ್ 59 Ferraro team ಗೋಲ್ಡವರ್. QC 60 they are starting from 61. JSWC 61 Abhimanyu Gold Award. Laksha team Gold Award. 63 Manapaider Gold Award. 66, Zig Power, Gold Award. 67, Akash Team, Gold Award. 68, Leeds Team, Gold Award. 69, ABC Team, Gold Award. 70, Sika Team, Gold Award. 71, Sudha Team, Gold Award. 72, SP Team, Gold. 73, Energy Warriors, Gold Award. 74, Samarth Kovan, Gold Award. 75, Pragati Kovan, Gold Award. 76, Sahayog, Gold Award. 77, Achiever, Gold Award. 78, Pragati SMS, Gold Award. ಇವಾಗ 061 ಇಂದ 78 ವರೆಗೂ KSWC ಇದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದು ಮೊದಲು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡಿ, ಅವರು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೂ KSWC ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಆನಂತರ KSW ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಉಳಿದ ಬೆಲೆಗಳು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಹಕರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ನಂಬಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಮುಂದಾಗಿ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಾತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಹಕರಿಸಿ.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫುಲ್ ಸೇಮಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾವು ಏನಿದೆ ನೀವು ಬಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಹಲೋ ಸರ್, ಹಲೋ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನಿಂದ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೇಮ್ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನಿಂದ ದೂರ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಚೆ ಒಂದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದೇಶದ ಮೇನ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮುಗಿದು ದೇಶದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1, 2, 3, 4